In this video, we'll tackle the steps to take and things that you should not do when you've been in an accident. First, check yourself to see if there are any injuries, and then your passengers if they are physically able to go out of the car on their own, or if an ambulance is needed. Next, alert other drivers to slow down, turn your hazard lights on, and if your vehicle might be a hazard, or could cause traffic, move it to the side if possible. Only exit the car when you are sure that it is safe to do so. Also, if needed, use cones or safety flares so that oncoming cars can see that an accident has taken place. Next, consider if calling the police is necessary. You are legally required to call the police in most states, especially if someone had been injured, or if the total damage appears to exceed a certain amount, like $1,000. A lot of people involved in minor accidents think it's less of a hassle not to file a police report, but it actually could be a costly mistake. Legal and financial problems can result from a minor injury if someone files for injury damage claims, if the other person sues, or if liability is argued over in an insurance claim. Because they will be doing a legally documented description of the accident, filing a report with the police helps in defending you. The police report can help settle your claim with your insurance company smoother and stress-free. This proves true, especially if the other party tells a different version of how the accident happened. The next step is to exchange information with the other party concerned in the accident, whether the police are on their way or not. Write down information about everyone involved in the accident. Take note of their names, contact number, address, insurance information including their insurance company and policy number, and of course, the make and model of the other vehicles and their license plates as thoroughly as you can. Immediately take photos of both cars, the damage, and the scene of the accident itself. It is necessary to take note of the exact location of the accident too. List down the street name or address numbers. If there's anyone nearby, ask them if they witnessed the accident. Ask for their names, as well as their contact numbers for insurance and legal purposes. This information will be asked to you by the police, your claim service, and the claim service of the other party, so it's advisable to write everything down. The more detailed it is, the better. The next step is to call us, your personal insurance agent. As your insurance agent and support, we'll give you advice and guide you with the steps you should do, like reporting the accident as well as what to do after. We will also outline the options to help you decide if you should file a claim or not. Should you choose to do so, we can help you start the process. Having covered what should be done, let's talk about what you should never do after an accident. Remember that the most important thing is that no matter how minor the incident may be, you should never leave or flee the scene. It may be considered as a hit and run or could result in a misdemeanor offense at a minimum. But if you left and someone was injured or killed, you could face felony charges. The next thing to never do is to apologize and say sorry or admit fault. The blame or liability could be put upon you if you acknowledge responsibility or say sorry, even if you were only at fault partially, or not at all. We hope this short video has helped you prepare if ever you are involved in an auto accident. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call us. Team AIS is here for you.